He's got this big washer right here, sticks up above the surface. So that one I think is on top of it a little bit. You can see a little bit of a gap right there. So that gave us a false reading on that cylinder. So that means this reading's wrong on this cylinder too. That's why the numbers weren't sounding right. Here it dropped. Okay, now we get to refigure these numbers out. Okay. Make sure the pistons don't hit each other. They did not hit. It's a good sign. Okay, so now let's go see what our new number is over here. Four of them right here. Alright, one goes away. 4 was hitting. Flat or not? I think I'm hitting on the inside of the dome is the problem. This nut's in a different location. I'm hitting on a nut. The other problem is the piston won't stay up because it's counterbalanced by the other rod now. Okay, let's see here. We'll go on this other side of the stud over here. It's hitting. It's just barely touching it maybe. We got 3 shims. We're at 4.5 to 5 right now. So I'm going to call it 4th out clearance. So we lost 3 or 4 when we could have had the cylinder all the way down now. Okay, now I'll go and check this side over here, see what this one is. This one's going to be popping up pretty good here. So the shims will be on the outside, which is going to be pretty hard to do for me by myself because the piston won't stay up. It's up way too high, so there's no way you can run it that high anyway. So you can measure with a caliper. I measure about 42 pop up. So that means I need to put 2 more shims in there. So we're at 42. Let me take out 38 of it. So we put 4 more of these big fat ones in there. Big fat ones being 34 twice. So it should be around 76, 70. There. 71, 73, 74. Depends on where you're at. 76, 73. Varies all over the place. 68, 68, 7. Nice consistent numbers. What if we stack in the same direction? 65 consistently on that one. There's sharp edges on these, so 69, 64, 70. Definitely got some sharp edges on one of these somewhere. 65, 65, 65. Okay, these are 65. Okay, now what do we got for pop-up? Perfect. Just a little bit. These are 10 thou each. Hit them. So we're hitting at least 10 worth. 3. 3 more in here. Trickery holding all this up here. Barely touching. Probably be too much putting a style and a half in here, I bet. It's a shim hitting on the side of piston's our problem. Piston dome's hitting. Try that now. You can hear it hitting, so it's hitting. I need more shims. I don't have them right here. Okay, so what do we got right now? We're at 15, so we're going to call it more like 17 at least. $17 pop up with a 40 thou gasket means you got 27 thousandths. Piston head clearance. Not quite enough. These need to be at least 70 thou thick down here to give us a proper clearance. So we're a little bit shy here. Now we're talking about doing a pop of a 50 thou into this thing. So I need to check it with a 50 thou pocket. I need to check this. This one here is a little bit different. This one was -7, I think. Alright, so I'm going to figure out how we're going to do this one here. About 17 and 30, be 43 down. Do 45 thou cut. Take these out. These are 31 32s. Okay. Caliper out. It's hard to measure this stuff. About 44 now. Okay, so if we put the head on here, we'll see if we got, let's see if our piston hits. That's what we're going to do. I think about this. Alright, we'll be back. I do some thinking here.